Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to convert from DVD to mp4. Firstly, download and install DVD Fab DVD Ripper for Windows 10 or 11. Ensure that the software is safe and clean from the official website. Launch DVD Fab DVD Ripper and select the Ripper module. Insert your DVD into your computer's DVD drive. It will automatically load and decrypt the DVD content. Alternatively, drag and drop an ISO file or folder into the program. Once the source is loaded, select a profile. For mobile devices, choose the mp4.mobile profile. If you prefer lossless quality, select mp4.pass-through. Click the info button to check for copy protection on your DVD if needed, and customize audio subtitles and choose specific titles or rip the entire DVD. At the bottom of the interface, just click the folder icon to choose the output destination, mobile device or folder. Once you're ready, click Start to begin converting your DVD to mp4. The conversion will typically complete in 3 to 5 minutes. And now you've successfully converted your DVD to mp4. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.